Hey, what's up everybody? Chris here with another Proto Tech Tip, and for today, I want to share some high-level advice for designing sheet metal or CNC machined enclosures with portability in mind. So, let's get into it. At Protocase and Protospace MFG, we specialize in helping scientists and engineers bring their designs to life through custom sheet metal and CNC machining. A challenge that people may often encounter is designing sheet metal or CNC machined enclosures that are not only durable and functional, but they're also easy to transport as well. Now, to support you in developing portable enclosures that meet your project's needs, we've put together these practical high-level design tips, and by focusing on material selection, weight optimization, ergonomic designs, and incorporating things like handles and/or wheels, you can create enclosures that are rugged, lightweight, and also user-friendly. Now, to start off, the choice of material for the enclosure will significantly impact the enclosure's weight, durability, and overall functionality. Now, for designs that are meant to be portable, this decision is a critical starting point. Aluminum is a go-to material for sheet metal and CNC machined enclosures. It's lightweight, corrosion resistant, and easy to fabricate. Aluminum's versatility makes it a great choice for projects where lightweight is essential. Stainless steel offers outstanding strength and wear resistance. While heavier than aluminum, it's ideal when ruggedness is most important, such as with anything industrial or outdoors. Hybrid designs with plastics. If weight is a major concern, then combining metal with engineered plastics such as UHMW or acrylic is an effective solution. Now, a pro tip to remember is selecting the thinnest gauge of metal that still meets your strength requirements. For example, thinner sheets can lighten the enclosure without sacrificing functionality. Portability also demands a fine balance between being lightweight and also maintaining structural integrity. When designing enclosures, you should also focus on innovative design features that aim to achieve this balance. Next, let's talk about design ergonomics. So when designing portable enclosures, comfort and usability are just as important as the functionality. By focusing on an ergonomic design for your enclosure, you can ensure that your enclosure is easy for end users to carry and also transport. Thin walls with reinforcements. Thinner materials can be strengthened using reinforcing features such as bent flanges or brackets. These enhance rigidity while also minimizing the weight. Alternative cutouts. You can create cutouts in non-critical areas of the enclosure. This reduces weight without compromising strength. Rounded corners and edges. Sharp corners and edges can make enclosures difficult to handle, particularly over extended periods of time. Rounded edges or chamfers, which is a common CNC feature, allows for a safer, more comfortable handling. Using large rad tooling and step bends will also produce a more rounded surface, but will typically be larger in size. Compact shapes. You may want to opt for a sleek, compact design that avoids irregular or an awkward shape, making the enclosure easy to carry. A great option is to first look at our stock list of customizable aluminum die-cast enclosures. Within each category of standard, watertight light, and watertight heavy, there are smaller sizes of enclosures that can be modified with necessary hardware and work perfectly as a portable enclosure. Balanced weight distribution. Uneven weight distribution can strain the user. Aim for a well-placed center of gravity, especially for handheld enclosures. Choice of electronics. PCB connectors that are rigid on one or multiple sides of the board can present limitations with how the cover, base, and side panels fasten together for the connector to properly fit on each side of the enclosure. Lastly, think about additional hardware. At Protocase and Protospace MFG, we stock a wide variety of hardware items that will enhance the functionality of your custom enclosures. Handles, latches, and other similar features make portable enclosures far more user-friendly. When incorporating these elements into your design, please consider the following. Built-in handles. Sheet metal and machined enclosures can be designed to incorporate handles. This minimizes the number of additional parts while maintaining its strength. Casters and wheels. For larger enclosures that need to be mobile, adding casters or wheels can significantly improve portability. Now, these can be lockable to ensure stability when the enclosure needs to remain stationary. Latches, hinges, and quick release fasteners. Easy to use latches or quick release fasteners provide secure yet simple access to the enclosure's interior while minimizing setup or teardown time during transport. Now, before we end, I wanted to touch on another offering from Protocase and Protospace MFG that works perfectly for portability. Now, if your project requires housing electronics inside Pelican cases, which portability is their entire purpose, or mounting parts to the interior of Pelican cases, you can design custom Pelican panels for those components inside our in-house design software called Protocase Designer. You can start from 8 different panel templates for 8 different Pelican case sizes, so I suggest you go check out Protocase Designer if that pertains to you. Now, in the end, designing for portability doesn't have to mean a compromise between functionality and ease of use. By selecting the right materials, optimizing weight, focusing on ergonomics, and integrating things like hardware, you can design an enclosure that's both robust and also very portable. So if you are ready to bring your next design to life, our team of experts are always here to help. If there are any topics that you'd like us to cover in the future, please let us know in the comments or send us an email at info@protocase.com, or if you're in aerospace and defense, you can reach us at info@protospacemfg.com. Please also like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. With that being said, thank you for watching this week's Tech Tip, and we'll see you all next time.